Welcome to Localize. This video will walk you through the process of ordering human translations from one of our translation partners. This is probably the easiest way to get quality human translations for your content. You place the order for the translations right from your dashboard. The translations are automatically delivered back to your dashboard when completed and are then immediately available to your end users. We'll go through the ordering process using my demo site. First, you'll need to move any phrases that you want to get translated into the Publish bin. Let's say we want to get all of our SEO-related metadata professionally translated so we can improve our page rankings in our target language. We can filter our phrases using the Labels filter, selecting the SEO-related system labels that were automatically added to our phrases. We'll select the labels for LZ page title, LZM meta OG title, LZM meta description, and LZM meta OG description. Now I can see that there is one phrase in my Publish bin and 8 phrases in my Pending bin. Let's move the pending phrases to the Published bin. And now we have all of our SEO-related content in the Publish bin. Select the Orders link, then select Place Phrases Order. On the Place Phrases Order page, you'll see that there are several options for translating your content and many ways to filter your content. First, you should select the provider and quality tier that you'd like to use. I'm going to select Gango Standard for this demo video. Click More Info to view details about the available options. Next, I'll select the language that I'd like to get translated. You'll see a total word count and phrase count for the currently selected phrases. Next, I'll filter the list of phrases using the SEO-related labels. You'll see that the total number of words and phrases is reduced as a result. There are also other filters available, like the Pages filter. When you are done setting up your filters, you can select the Edit Phrases link to see exactly what phrases will be sent, and you can remove any phrases from the list if you so desire. Before placing your order, you'll need to make sure that you have enough translation credits. You can purchase more credits by clicking here, selecting an amount, then clicking Purchase Credits. The credit card associated with your subscription will be charged by default, or you can elect to do a one-time purchase with a different credit card. When you place your order, your style guide will be sent with the order, along with the glossary terms that you have created and any context that was added at the phrase level, so that the translators have as much context as possible when translating your content. See our other guides and videos on creating your style guide, using the glossary, and adding context to phrases. After you place your order, you'll see it in the Pending Orders section on the Orders page. Depending on the amount of content in your order, you can expect it to be delivered within 2 to 48 hours. You will receive an email notification when your order has been completed. You will have 4 days to review your order and, if needed, get back to us with any questions or concerns. When the order has been completed, the translations will be immediately available to your users. How cool is that? Since my order was small, I received my translation in only a matter of hours. And here we see our translations as delivered. Happy localizing, and let us know if you need help getting started with this workflow by contacting us at support@localizejs.com.